We're finally back and with lots of content to upload. We pick up after our return from our cruise to Papua New Guinea, where we both got the flu that really knocked us about. We start in Maroochydore before heading to Noosa North, where we catch up with our daughter and her partner on awesome Teewah Beach. After farewelling them, we head for Hangar O, then Childers to recover and relax. Elliots Head and Bunderberg are next on our schedule, and of course a visit to the Bunderberg Rum factory, where I get to blend my own rum blend we called We're the Millars. A great experience, well worth doing. We end the episode at a caravan park right on Rules Beach, where they reckon catching fish is easy. We shall see.
Beautiful, isn't it? Wow! No, I didn't even find it cold this time. Oh, it's quite cold here though. Oh.
If I had another chance, make things right. I see the light behind your eyes is fading now.
I'll put it.
We're at Teewah Beach, trying to catch dinner tonight.
Here we are at Iron Ridge Caravan Park. It's near Childers in Queensland, and $37.50 a night, power and water. So relaxing here, very quiet. We've got a New Zealand and Australian flag over there, memorial, and this is it. And here we are. Tanny's kicking back over there. He's done a 20-minute walk. It's a bit hot for walking. And we're just getting over our cold still. That's appropriate timing.
Well, how are you? We are at Bunderberg. Well, not at Bunderberg where we are, but Elliots Beach.
We're at Elliots Head. Here we go, we got there. I'll turn the camera around and show you.
The nudist beach.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's why we're keeping all the shots above at head height. There's nudists down there. Don't zoom in.
It's quite nice.
This is our home for the next 5 days. You're never going to guess where we are.
Yay, Bunderberg Rum. Yuck.
And look at Tanny's new haircut.
Yeah, good.
Woo!
Cut it short.
There you go. Wonder if that'll fit in my car.
Chuck that in the glass, make a bundy, splash a cola. Lime is optional, like salad in a bar. Enjoy. How to make Queensland's most famous cocktail? Start with Queensland Undercook. That's right.
I know you're a single rider today, so if you need help with taking photos, please just give me a holler.
Thank you.
The phone and I'll start away. Okay, so in front of us today, each of those 5 glasses contain 15 mils of 40% alcohol. Now, if you consume all of those liquids in front of you today, which you can, once and only once you've created your recipe. No, that's okay. Okay. You gonna talk, Was? Making the magic?
Yes, this is We're the Millars blend.
Yeah.
Special blend.
Handcrafted
Oh yes.
by the master himself.
Oh.
In this beautiful room that he's standing in. The magic, you're right. It is an action video. He's not here alone.
Yeah, you don't want to look like I'm just here by myself.
Maybe it was a private experience.
That sounds.
Look at that, 2 magical bottles.
Oh. Thank you.
These are the supplies for the next lot of blenders. It's the original birthplace of all good rum. This is the crew that have joined him today for this special experience.
There's a little bit left over.
Cheers, Was.
Cheers.
Okay.
Righto.
Now, left hand on the side of the barrel, so we're not going to touch the bottles. You need to turn it on first.
Oh yes, that might help.
And then pull it down slowly to the left, all the way to the bottom. Keep going, all the way till you can't press no more, and then back up.
Right.
Any creases? Present your bottle.
Oh. Look at that. Just like I bought one.
And you can do your next one.
It'll be coming off tonight anyway.
That's okay. We have to seal them before we can leave the venue.
Oh, okay, fair enough then. Is that
Just
one?
make sure it's got one. No, that's about 3.
Yeah.
You put your finger in and pull one. Yep.
Oh yeah. God, you can read it. Righto. The mood lighting, you know.
I know it is very epic in here.
You mean the machine does all that automatically, does it?
Oh.
Lines it up.
Take your hand away from the bottle. Yep. No, there are still people that put capsules on in the bottling line. Oh, pull slightly to the left.
It doesn't sound good.
If you pull slightly to the left, did we get it? Oh, no creases.
No, of course not.
Perfect.
Like
Look
pure
at it.
flute. No, creases. Fantastic.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Yep, you have.
Okay. Thank you.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave.
Here we are
There's a heat
on
wave
Maroochydore Beach.
rolling in.
Down from 1770 and actually beautiful day,
There's a party
a little bit of
in
a
the
breeze.
streets and the city's on fire.
It's the best they've had so far.
bunch of fish at Rules Beach last night. And look at the moon. The moon's nice. What's going on there, big fella? What are you saying?
I said I was waiting for a sunset. Look, there you go.
Yeah.
There's a party